Start. But anyway, you want to turn that off. So to turn it off, you just still solid. There you go. Now it's off. All right. Nope. Still solid. Oh, this one actually might be pressing the brake. It's like 6 times or something. I forgot. There we go. Now it's off. Brake pedals. 6 times. Alright, we're gonna go to the home button. I don't know about this remote. May have to do it on board. Let's find out. Hopefully it has it. It's always easier with the machine. Lexus. So that is going to be an onboard, but this other one might have it. Okay. Cool, well, that's all done. I did it twice to erase the other key because the other key was stolen. Is that right? Hopefully I did it right. Twice to program a key or mark submitter code while erasing the original key. That's why I did that. There we go, it's all done. You can kind of hear it. Oh. So the guy that works at the Circle K?
Yeah.
So this is the girl that stole your key. Recognize her, guys? Right off the counter. The key's no good for her. It ain't gonna work anymore.
So looking at her body type and seeing just enough of that, if I see somebody that matched that description,
You gonna go after her?
down 27th Ave, I'm gonna be like, is this you?